a good idea, girls, but we have to go ask her first.
Okay. Okay. Nana, can we help you make a wedding cake?
Absolutely. We're working on Honey's wedding cake today.
Yeah.
Do you and Nahla want to help?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. First of all, what we need to do is to take precautions. And that precaution is to wear a hat like Nana's and an apron that keeps our clothes clean and our hair out of our food. So let's get you ready, okay?
Nana, we are ready.
Come on, girls. You got to get your apron and your hats on.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Layla, what color are you wearing?
Purple.
Nahla, what color are you wearing?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing we're going to do is mix all the dry ingredients together, okay? So, Nahla, we're going to let you do that. We've got flour and dump the sugar. You want to put the sugar in with the flour? You want to help me? Just dump it in there. Oh, yay, okay. Okay, and now we have chocolate because we're making chocolate cake.
Okay.
So you want to dump the chocolate in there? Yay, we got some chocolate going on. Get your spatula and get all that chocolate out of there. Spatula and get all the chocolate out. All the goodies out of there. Okay, hold on to your spatula. We have baking soda. Do you know what baking soda does?
Yes.
It helps spread the cake. Do you know what baking powder does? It helps to rise the cake. You know how the cake will rise up in the oven? That's what that's going to do. And then we have some salt, which enhances the flavor of your cake. Layla, do you want to measure these out?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of baking soda
Okay.
and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, when you measure, do it like this. You're going to dip your spoon in. There we go. Dip your spoon in, grab a whole spoonful, but then you're going to rake it across that little lip right there. Okay? That gives us a perfect measurement. Baking is like a science. It has to be perfect in order for it to all come out right.
Okay.
Okay, and then we get one here. Put that in there. Okay, we're going to put the lid back on.
Got it.
Okay, and then one more thing is the salt. You know how to do it? You want Nana to pour it? Okay, we'll let Nana pour it here. We're going to get the salt. Okay, now put that in there. And Nahla, you're going to stir all that together. There you go. Good job. Okay, we're going to dump all of our dry ingredients into the bowl. Just dump it all in there. All right. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to crack our eggs.
Can I
So
do
would you
one?
like to crack the egg in here? We want to crack them one at a time because if we have a bad egg, we don't want to put it in with our good stuff. And then take your fingers and push it apart. There you go. And we'll just make sure we get all the shells out.
Yeah, because we don't want the crunch.
Yeah, we don't want any crunchies in. Want to do the other one, Nahla? Let's hit it on the side first. Let's go like this. Pull it apart. Good job. There we go. Okay, we'll put our shell over there. There we go. So we're going to dump this in there.
Oh.
And then we're going to stir it. We're going to pour some milk in. There we go. And then we're going to stir it all up.
Can I see?
See, we're making chocolate cake. Look how good that looks, girls.
That looks delicious.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, that's an easy.
Yeah, we're just making one of the smaller cakes for the big wedding cake right now. We're going to take our pan.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour, and you guys can scrape the batter out of the pan for me, okay? Here we go. There you go. Scrape it all in the pan. We don't want to waste any batter, so let's get it all out of there, okay? Preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to let you, Layla, put it in the oven. So you just take it like this and slide it right on in. Need some help?
No, I got it.
Okay. We're going to slide it right on in there. Back up. Okay, there we go. And we're going to set the timer for 35 minutes. You want to watch it bake?
Yeah.
It's going to take a long time for that to bake. So let's clean up while that's baking, okay?
Okay.
You want to hold the bowl?
Yep.
Okay. You hold the bowl, and what Nana does is put everything into the bowl, and then we'll take it all over to the sink,
But don't
and
do
we'll wash
these.
it up.
Don't do these because that's what we
That's the icing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay.
I'm just so excited. I'm gonna go look at it. It's ready! It's ready!
Done? Let's see. Oh, it looks really good. What do you think? Think it's done?
Yeah.
Let's let it cool off, okay?
This is gonna be a yummy wedding cake for Honey.
Oh.
Who's Honey?
Your sister.
Yeah, that's your aunt?
Yeah.
Your Aunt Andrea?
Yeah.
Now what we have to do is what we call tort the cake.
Oh,
And that just means I'm going to level the cake off so that when we put the icing on, everything is nice and level and it doesn't have a big hump on it. So Nana's going to have to do that because it's going to take a sharp knife to do, okay?
Whoa. I never saw a knife that big.
Yeah, it's really sharp too.
Wanna try?
So we're making it real. You know what Nana calls this? Trash cake. Papa loves the trash cake. He gets to eat it.
I love trash cake.
What we're going to do with this, we're going to ice it. We're going to what we call fill it. Okay? So we're going to put some filling in it. So what I want you to do is to take that. This is strawberry buttercream. Yum, yum. And you're going to take a big glob of this icing and just pop it on top of that cake. Spread it around.
It's hard to spread this around.
Help?
Yep.
Okay. We'll just push down and spread it like that. Okay? Push down.
I think I got it now.
Got it now? Okay.
Ooh.
Might need a little bit more on there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's put lots of this on there because that's really good stuff. Okay. We'll get it all the way to the edges. Oh, Layla, that looks really good. I think we're ready for the next layer of cake. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Nana's got to tort this one too. More trash cake. Yum, yum. You want a bite?
Yeah.
Let's see what it tastes like. Like Nahla?
Yes.
Want to taste it?
Should I drop any trash cake?
What do you think? Is that good?
Yep.
Oh. You want more trash cake too? Okay. All right, so what we do with this one is we flip it upside down, put it on the top of that one.
Okay.
Flip it upside down.
Oh, it's so
And then we're
sweet.
going to lay it right there. Looks pretty level to me. What do you think?
Good.
Okay.
I would-
Nahla, you want to do this part? Okay. Looky there. German. Layla, you want to help her?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it. We get lots of buttercream on the top of the cake. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks wonderful. You girls are doing a great job. I think Honey's going to love this cake. You want to turn it? Turn it. Keep turning. See, that smooths out the top of the cake? You guys did a wonderful job. I think Honey's going to love her wedding cake.
A special day for Nana, Kim, and Kim Cakes for helping us make this video.
You look lovely too.